Got my hearing checked here with Corey, and I'm impressed. I felt as though my concerns were addressed well and the test explained in a way I could understand. I'll also add I was nervous to get a hearing assessment as I am young and felt my concerns may have been diminished. However, this experience showed me the opposite. Corey seemed happy to have younger people in to get an assessment to protect hearing, especially with all the noises we experience around us day to day. The reception staff was also incredibly kind and personable. We'll be coming here in the future.